kunjani?
Nah, good right, okay.
Yeah,
Akufani, good right.
akufani.
Good right.
And then angitshele, let's come to find out ukuthi uyodlalela iBhakaniya. Uyawatshela bani kuqala?
Khuluma nogogo.
Ugogo.
Yeah, ubhekene umuntu engihlala naye.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yena oqala okumele akwazi lokho.
And then wathini kuye?
I guess.
Wathini kuye?
Ngamtshela ukuthi ngendaba ezimnandi engiphathele zona. Sengikwazile ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngibuyele kwi-stage esikhulu, ngikwazi ukudlala i-team enkulu. Ngamtshela ukuthi ngiyodlala iPirates, so wajabula kakhulu ukuza lokho.
Baphendule bathini bona?
Wajabula kakhulu naye nje wayengakholwa because wayelokhu engibuzile ngifonelile. Yabo engibuza ukuthi ngiserious, ngamtshela ukuthi aqinisele.
And then kunjani kuBhakaniya?
Yeah, so far iBhakaniya akusa right. Yonke into isa right nje, akuphethwe kahle umuntu lana, angeke ngicomplain.
So far good trip, what's been your favorite thing?
Ngiyabona vele i-trip into ebengayijwayele le ukuhamba nje yabo kangaka, so hayi sazojwayela yebo.
Uqala?
Ukuhamba indawo engaka ibanga elingaka ngiqala.
And then kule season ezayo abantu, what can they expect from you?
Yeah, into abangayilindela kumina ukuthi njoba ngelana nje ngizokwenza umsebenzi ngizosebenza. Ngicela kubona nje ukuthi bangisupport kuphela. Yeah.
And then what position did you play usakhula?
Ngisakhula bengu-goalkeeper ngisakhula. Bengu-goalkeeper. Bengu-timele ngikhona.
Serious?
Serious.
And then you change her?
Angibonile ukuthi ayingeke ayangilibaza center goalkeeper, ngiqala ngiyodlala i-strike ngabona. Ngaqala lapho-ke ukuthi hayi ngibona ngishala amanqamu ngathi hayi nayi iposition engiyidlalayo kahle kahle.
Manje ungangena futhi emapalini mawangathi ugoalkeeper red card.
Obviously. Ayikho into engakudlula lapho. Lisakhona ikhono lo goalkeeper.
Thank you.
Yabo.
So